Hello, kids. I'm Kiki. I'm Quacky, the quacking duckling. Quacky, I'm going to the animal kingdom. Would you like to go with me? Sure. Magic Cube, go! Wah! The destination is confirmed. Go! The world is so interesting. Let's go explore the mystery. Quacky, this is the animal kingdom. Wow! There are so many animals in the animal kingdom.
I'm longer.
I am longer. What's so noisy over there? It appears that someone is arguing. Let's go and take a look.
I'm longer than you.
My tail extends farther than yours, so I'm longer than you. Daddy Crocodile, Mommy Crocodile, stop arguing. What's going on?
Referee Kiki, you're just in time. Come and decide which one of us is longer.
Quacky, do you know which one of them is longer? How do we compare them? I will tell you the answer. To compare the length, we have to align one side of them, like this. Once we align the two rectangles, it's very easy to see that the red rectangle is longer than the blue one. Can you help align the heads of Daddy Crocodile and Mommy Crocodile? Yes! Yeah! Now can you see who is longer? You got it! Daddy Crocodile sticks out a bit longer than Mommy Crocodile after aligned. So, Daddy Crocodile is longer than Mommy Crocodile. I got it! What's that? That's a crocodile egg. It looks like baby crocodile is about to be born. Let's help it. I'm the baby crocodile! Yippee! Wow! Baby crocodile is so cute! Is he the longest one? Kids, is Quacky right? Let's take a look. After the baby crocodile and its mom and dad are aligned side by side. Look! Daddy Crocodile is longer than Mommy Crocodile and longer than Baby Crocodile. So Daddy Crocodile is the longest. I got it! The baby crocodile is shorter than the Mommy Crocodile and also shorter than Daddy Crocodile. So Baby Crocodile is the shortest. That's right. Daddy, I'm hungry.
I am going to catch some fish for you.
Let's go help Daddy Crocodile catch some fish. We've caught all the fish. Let's go feed Baby Crocodile. I would like to have a short fish. I would like to have a long fish. Can you give me the longest fish? I want the shortest fish. I'm so full. I've grown longer. I'm taller. I am taller than you. It seems there is an argument over there. Let's go and check it out. Giraffes, what are you arguing about? You're just in time, Referee Kiki. Come and see if I'm taller than my brother. I can eat the leaves that my sister can't, so obviously I'm taller. Quacky, who do you think is taller? How do we compare them? Comparing height is the same as comparing length. We must align one end. So we have to put Brother Giraffe on the ground to compare. Kids, can you help put Brother Giraffe on the ground? Great job! Yeah! Now can you see who is taller? This way we can tell that Sister Giraffe is taller than her brother. You are so smart! Oh, I am actually shorter than my sister. Brother Giraffe, if you eat more leaves, you will grow taller. Yes, from now on, I will eat more leaves and grow taller than my sister and Dad. Where is your dad?
I'm coming! Ouch!
Daddy
Ouch!
Giraffe is too tall. He can't get through. Let's help him out.
Thank you!
Let's do a test. Do you know who is the tallest? Yes! Daddy Giraffe is taller than Sister Giraffe and taller than Brother Giraffe, so he is the tallest. Do you know who is the shortest? Yes! That's right! Let's do a test. Daddy Giraffe should have the highest leaf, and Brother Giraffe should have the lowest one. Then, which one should Sister Giraffe eat? Outstanding! Yeah!